So if we go forward, we're going to look into the more section. And in the more section, that's exactly what it is. It is more for you, more things that you can use, more functionality to design all of your Canva work. And this has a huge selection, so it's definitely worthwhile going through this selection of useful extras to really give your design that punch, to make it stand out, to make it become more unique with other content on social media platforms. That's the main aim. So as you can see, if we go through these styles, excellent. So this will actually change the style of colors on your design straight away. There we go. So that will change the style of your design. It will change the fonts, the colors of the background, and the actual vector images also. It's quite groovy. So you can change that through all these different styles that you have. Now if you want to go back into more, as you can see, when you do click on these, they're actually added to the sidebar. So styles are now added to the sidebar, which makes it a lot easier. Now you can also look at videos and background charts, folders, and there's also other things which they have when they create something new. They have all the new stuff here, and you can discover different types of content. So it either has some photos on there from pixels, which are absolutely free, so you can choose one of these. So you don't need a pro plan for that, you can just choose them, they're absolutely free, and you can search for them as well, put in any keyword you want. Again, it's added to the sidebar. So if we keep going down, look at all this. I mean, it keeps adding all these different apps to the actual Canva. So Canva keeps adding different apps, and you will get updates all the time. So this imports your media to Box, Dropbox, Instagram, and so on, and other apps. And there's just so many to choose from. Let's look at the design features. Now, if you click on to here, and let's go to the text, and you can actually animate this text, and this does it automatically. So this animates the text. So basically, if you look back and you play the button, and this is the animation. There it is. It's just, see the text as it flows upwards. That's the little animation. On exit as well. So what you can do, you can actually bring that timer down to maybe a few seconds. Okay, 2.5 seconds, and you can actually duplicate that page. Okay, so it's duplicated, and now you can actually add the text here. So it's Rise at the moment, and you can put it on enter. That's on enter. And we want to duplicate that as well. So let's duplicate that page. Go to the third one. Click back on St. Patrick's Day. And now we want to do another Rise, and you want to do it on exit. So if you play it back, it raises. And it goes down outside. There's so many things you can do with the animations. I'm not going to go over the animations in this video, but in another video I will do. So keep watching for more, okay? That's the best thing. Now you can also edit the little vectors as well, and they're individual ones, so you can change the colors on the vectors. You can add your own brand colors in Brand Kit, but I think that is a pro feature at the moment. Yes. You can also change the opacity, so bring down the, you're not going to be able to see it clearly there, so if I put it on there instead, change the opacity on that, and that will fade out the picture into the background. Okay, so now you want to just change this template. It's very easy. Just go back into the templates one here, and you can just change that automatically to anything that you want. So let's say we want to have this one, Peace for Ukraine. Excellent design. And that will change the design straight away. Very simple. You can also add a page, adds a new page, and all your pages at the bottom. You can also view, so have a grid view as well. And you can look at all the various designs in full. Because if you look at them just at the bottom here, they're very small. They're very small. So if you have them in full, then you can see the designs in more detail, which helps you with your design flow. So going back to the page, just click on there again. If you want to zoom into the image, you can zoom in it that way. There are some really good features as well. You're happy with your design. Now you want to actually share your design. You press the share button, and you can actually share. If you press the more, you can share to, you can save it to your folder, send to a phone, website, embed it, put it on a presentation. There's so many options. You've also got a social as well, so your social accounts, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and LinkedIn, Tumblr, Pinterest. They're the main important ones. You can save it to your Dropbox. You can send it as a message as well to your mail campaign, iMessages, Facebook, and so on. You can use some other design features, design apps to improve it. And also at the bottom as well, more design apps to improve your actual overall design. Now, if you just want to download it, it comes up with a suggested, because it has a video at the top, so it will come up with an MP4 video suggestion. And it gives you a number of options here: JPEG, PNG, PDF, GIF as well, animated. Because it is a video option, I would choose the suggested one. Okay. You can also as well choose which page you just want to download and select them, or put the number at the top as well. So that will just choose page 2, current page. You can save the download settings, which is great. Now when you press the download, it will download to your download folder. Wherever that might be. There's also another feature such as Resize, and that actually resizes the image for you. So you can choose any of these here, and it will actually resize it for you straight away. But as it's only a free account, it will not do that for you. You need to update to a pro account. Go back to the home page now, you'll find that the project that you were working on is saved into your recent designs. So you can come back to that later. It's automatically saved for you. So when you've downloaded Canva, and if you want to learn more, you can go to Learn and Play, the design school, and learn how to design everything that you need on Canva. So that is the introduction to Canva, and I hope it really helped you. If you haven't downloaded Canva just yet and you're just thinking about it, then I can tell you straight away that Canva is one of the essential ingredients of having a good content strategy. So it will help you with content creation, as you can now see, and it will help you with all of the content that you need to provide for in social media, unique and really stand out above the competitors. So if you want to download Canva, then all you need to do is go to the link in the description below, and there is a trial basis there for you. There is a pro trial link for you. You can try out the pro for 30 days. If you don't want, then you can go back into the free version. Completely up to you.